Welcome to the channel. In this video, I plan to say today's cricket news. Here we can look at the England vs West Indies 2020 first test preview, probable 11, match prediction, weather forecast and pitch report, and all you need to know. International cricket is back again after a gap of almost 4 months when lockdown measures being eased in Europe. West Indies had travelled to England for a 3-match test series, and while a couple of top Windies players have pulled out of the tour, this test series might still be a very interesting series. The last time these two fierce teams faced each other in a test series was in West Indies. The hosts beat England by 2-1 despite being the underdogs. While it would be difficult for the Caribbean boys to replicate that performances in the English conditions, they can't be written off completely as well. England, on the other hand, if you see, would be keen to avenge the loss of the last test series, particularly with West Indies not arriving with a full-strength squad. West Indies have definitely got the bowling to trouble England as they have got variety in their attack. They have got bowlers who can bowl really fast, but then they have got the bowlers who are very skillful as well. However, the problem for the West Indies is in their batting. They lack the solidity at the top of the order that is required in most English conditions. While England look a little more balanced side as compared to the mighty West Indies, they registered an emphatic series win in South Africa earlier this year, and they don't really seem to have any weakness at the moment, either with the bat or the ball. Match details. The first test match will happen on date July 8-12, 2020. Time will be 3:30 p.m. and venue the Rose Bowl, Southampton. Weather forecast. The weather will be partly cloudy in Southampton during the course of the test match, but surprisingly, rain hasn't been forecast on either of these 5 test playing days. The temperature will remain in the range of 10 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius, which means it isn't going to be too cold either. In short words, if we say ideal temperature for a test match to happen in cricket. Pitch report. This is the start of the English summer and there hasn't been any county game played at the Rose Bowl yet. So the surface might just have a little bit of extra bounce in it to start with, and the fast bowlers might be able to exploit it. The Rose Bowl Stadium is generally a decent batting track when the sun shines, but the captain winning the toss will probably still want to field first and exploit anything that is there in the surface first up. Now we can look at the probable 11 of both the sides. England captain Joe Root won't be available for the test match as he is on a paternity leave. And also that can prove a big blow in the first test match for England as well. So coming back, there is a vacancy at the number 4th, and the youngster Ollie Pope, who scored his test debut 100 in South Africa a few months back, might bat at that position. Jordan Lee and the stand-in captain Ben Stokes might bat at number 5 and number 6 respectively, while Jos Buttler will discharge the wicket-keeping duties. Dom Bess might be the only specialist spinner in the England lineup, while the pace trio will be formed by James Anderson, Stuart Broad and Jofra Archer. Predicted 11 for the first test for Team England. As openers, I predict for Rory Burns and Dominic Sibley, and at the middle order, I predict for Zach Crowley, Ollie Pope and Jordan Lee. As the captain and as the only all-rounder in the side, at number 6, I will go with Ben Stokes, who is also the captain of the team. At number 7, Jos Buttler, the wicket-keeper. And number 8, Dom Bess, the only specialist spinner in the side, and also 3 superb pace bowlers, Jofra Archer, Stuart Broad and James Anderson. Now we can look at the West Indies side. West Indies might go with an all-pace attack of Shannon Gabriel, Kemar Roach and Alzarri Joseph, and the captain itself Jason Holder. While the all-rounder Roston Chase will be lone spin option who will also bat at number 5th position. Shamar Brooks and Jermaine Blackwood might get to bat at number 4th and number 6th respectively in the absence of Darren Bravo and Shimron Hetmyer. Predicted 11 for West Indies. As openers, I will go with Craig Brathwaite and John Campbell. At the middle order, at number 3rd position, I will go with Shai Hope. At number 4, Sharbah Brooks. And at number 5, the lone all-rounder Roston Chase. At number 6, it will be Jermaine Blackwood. Number 7, Shane Dowrich, which is also the wicketkeeper of the side. Jason Holder, captain. And then the 3 super pace bowlers, Kemar Roach, Alzarri Joseph and Shannon Gabriel. Now at last we can look at the match prediction. Given the fact that England are playing in the home conditions, they surely have an upper hand going into this test match. But West Indies, as we say, is a very unpredictable team, and if their batsmen stand out up the challenge, they might actually give England a run for their money. I predict actually this test match, in the first test match, that West Indies will win the match. I predict that West Indies to win the test match and take a 1-0 lead in the series. Thank you friends for watching my channel. Can you like, subscribe and comment, and for more such notifications of the world cricket, can you subscribe channel and also can you like, share and comment the video. Thank you.